Did you enjoy your rest?
Dad?
Psilocybin. That's a development. You know, I really like what your mom's done with the house. I never wanted to reupholster that chair, but the blue really works.
The last time I saw you in the woods, where'd you go?
That wasn't my best day. I'm sorry I left you alone. But I wasn't as far away as you think. I've been with you. Just right here. I meant what I said. I'll never leave you. So how's school going? What are you doing for fun? Any girls in your life?
Actually, Dad, I like guys.
Any guy in particular?
Yeah, there was one. A while ago. But, Mom put an end to it. She drove him away, just like she did with you.
You're too hard on your mom. And you want to know a secret? She's usually right. I want to know more about you. Tell me everything. What I miss.